Shut up, Larry. It's 3 a.m. We gotta go to sleep.
I'm so sick. I feel like horrible.
Iggy, would you shut up? Shut up, Iggy. Just let's go to sleep. Alright, you know what? Let's wake up. Larry, what's wrong?
I don't know. I feel so sick, Lemmy.
Yeah, yeah, do that to him.
Oh, well, they had a good night's sleep.
Yeah, I want you to shut up and never say that again.
Oh, no. What's wrong with little Larry over here?
Yeah,
I feel so sick.
He probably has like COVID-19 or something.
I got vaccinated, even though we didn't even make an episode for that.
Yeah, I know. We did get vaccinated. But that doesn't mean you can't get COVID-19 still.
It doesn't matter. I feel like I'm about to die.
Alright, you want to take him to the doctor? Let's go, Iggy. Come on.
No, Larry's fine. No, prove it. Come on, Larry. Let me get off me.
Yeah, I don't want these sissies. We're taking him to the doctor. I can't believe we're traveling on the road at like 3 a.m., guys. Just to take you to the hospital. Oh, God.
Don't worry, guys. The cars are making love.
Yeah, well.
See? It's so beautiful. It's like America outside the watch.
Iggy, you're carrying him to the hospital. I'm going to just walk there.
Don't worry, Liz. I'll do everything safe, even though I got a bunch of circus tickets that said speeding tickets. I'm sure it's nothing.
So, Larry, what brings you in today at 4:30 a.m.? And then my night shift is almost over, and I want to go home to sleep.
Well, I've been coughing.
And sneezing all the time.
Yeah, we woke up in the night, him just doing all of that.
Yeah, not to mention Iggy snoring like he's like a dragon. Well, we kind of are dragons, turtles. I don't know.
Well, maybe he has COVID-19. Let me get some testing. I want to bring a needle in.
I hate needles.
And that should be enough blood. I'll be right back. Oh. All right. So the nurse said you have the bird flu.
The bird flu? What's
yeah,
that,
it's deadly. It's pretty deadly. You could probably, if you didn't come to us, you would probably die in the next 2 hours, to be honest.
Oh, God.
Wow, good thing you woke us up with your snoring.
You're welcome.
It was a joke, you stupid.
I am not stupid, XY.
Yeah, so we're gonna give you some medicine and then we'll let you home. Let me go get the medicine. Alright, this is called normal pills. Eat about 4. When you get home, eat 4 and then eat 4 per 8 hours. And I'll be going because it's time for me to leave already. Oh. Alright, Larry, you heard what the doctor said. 8 pills every day hours, and not 8 pills, 4 pills every day hours.
Alright, I think I'll best take them now right now.
Alright. Looks like I drank this.
Don't worry, Larry. I believe that doctor was so absolute baloney. You learn from me, never trust tennis balls. You'll be fine. Screw those pills.
No.
Come
He's
on,
literally
let's
gonna
have
die.
fun.
Oh, no. Wait, what the heck are you guys?
Playing Cuphead. What does it look like? Yeah.
What? You play Cuphead? Larry, I thought you hated this game.
I did, but why would they snake me for That's true! Also, by the way, let me that's your patrol Larry's using. Don't worry. No, that's enough Cuphead for one day.
You didn't even... Delicious. Last course. Oh.
Hi!
What are you guys doing?
Hi, Larry, you ready for a wild ride? I have everything to gonna happen. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go, Larry. Ah! Hope you had fun, Larry. I had mine this morning. Alright, time to do some more stuff. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
No. We're not doing any more things right now, okay? No more stuff. You literally just threw him out a window.
Don't be
Come on.
crazy. Here.
Oh.
Alright, Larry, whenever Wiley wants to go on a wild adventure across the
Oh,
world.
no. Where are you going?
Wiley ships himself across the world. That's where he was made. Of
Wait, a
course.
Chinese factory? You don't want to go back there.
What's
Trust
the
me.
worst that happened? Wiley's been over there a million times. What's the worst that happened? No! Ah!
No, don't do that. Wait. Stop. No, you.
Be quiet now, Larry.
Iggy, get him out of there. Now.
See? It's nice and calm in there. That's what's the worst can happen.
You probably knocked him out. He's probably in a coma.
Also, Larry, look. 420!
That's pretty funny. I'm not.
I know, right?
Ow. Let me go get his normal pose.
Okay.
Alright, let me look at his normal pose. Don't leave. Where'd they go? Iggy!
What? Here, Larry's about to start his wild adventure and become like me.
Iggy, we're going for him.
No! Okay, let's go!
No, we're jumping out the window.
Woohoo!
Huh! Go. Oh, where's the back of a moving truck? Going to China, and this is your fault.
It's not my fault.
Well, at least Larry's here.
You know how hard it was shoved into a box to tossed off castle.
Guys, we're in a plane right now. This is not good. We need to get out of here.
How are you already on a plane?
Well, I mean, we can
I
jump.
know. Let's go skydiving.
Let's
again.
jump out and we'll land in the Pacific Ocean. Come on, get in the box. We're gonna land in the Pacific Ocean, but it's fine.
All right, I'll carry the box.
I really
All
wanna
right, you
get
got
back
this,
in.
Iggy.
All right. All right, let's do this thing. Woohoo!
All right, the plane's door open. Go. Over here, it's the ocean.
We were on a beach.
Yeah, we clearly just washed up.
I'm just trying.
Oh, let's check my phone. Oh my God, we're right next to Shanghai.
What's Shanghai?
Shanghai, China.
What's this?
It's one of the capitals of the world where there's a lot of Chinese and bad labor laws. That's how we were made.
Let's go. Let's go. Ride our boat back
No.
to our place.
Yeah, we gotta do this. This might take a couple months. Come on in. I
all
trust
this
you
just
to-
for me being
I
sick.
trust you to steer it, Iggy, okay?
Okay. Whee!
Oh, come on, guys. It took us 45 months to get back to see our baby kitty Storm. 45 months, Iggy? 45 months?
Let me. Where are my pills? I don't think it was a good idea for me to go that long without any pills.
It's been a couple years. I think they'll think the bird flu is gone.
Oh no. Achoo!
Yep, now I probably have it. Achoo!
Well, they can't get the bird flu. It's too wild for him. All right, hey, Lemmy, you want some tissues for that stuff?
This is used, you stupid.
I'm not
Let's just
too-
go to sleep.
Achoo! After a long day with you.
Achoo! Achoo! Here, Iggy, you put it in your mouth. What the heck? All right, let's just go to sleep.
I like sleeping in tissues. They're yummy food. They're
You're
nice.
weird.
They're nice
Time to go to bed,
see.
guys. Come on.
Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!